Hi everyone, this is Farooq Kaiser and I am here with this box and this Samsung NX500 camera, and let's talk about tips and technology for your better life. So why I'm going to show you this box today? So we'll talk in a moment. So let's open this box first. Okay, so box is open and you see this wrapped with the bubble, and I just got this lens from China, and the reason I bought on AliExpress. So why do I purchase from China? Because of the price factor. If you check this lens on, this is by the way 16 to 50 mm Samsung kit lens with OIS. So if you check on Amazon and eBay, it costs around $250 to $300, but I bought it on eBay for $123. That includes tax and shipping. So that was an awesome deal. But here is the catch. It took almost 2 months or over 2 months to get in my hand. So I ordered this lens on October 19th and I got just 2 days before this Christmas. So today is 26th of December and I got this lens on 23rd of December. But it was huge saving. So who needs this lens? So anybody who owns this Samsung NX series cameras like NX500, NX1, NX2000, there are so many NX series cameras, and this 16 to 50 mm lens is a great lens. If you would like to take a portrait or wide angle videos or photos or the vlogging, this is a great lens, very fast and sharp lens. So let me show you what I mean. So this is on auto mode, and if you want to take a selfie video, so you can see. So even close like this, I can take like a video like this. See? So let's try. So I press and see. So I can talk and walk, or walk and talk. See, this is great. So I hope this helps you guys. If you want to save some money and if you are not in a hurry, you can buy on AliExpress. By the way, AliExpress is the sister concern of Alibaba. So Alibaba is the wholesale platform and AliExpress is the retail, just like the Chinese version of Amazon. So take care, stay safe and be wise, save some money. See you next video. And by the way, next video will be about the Rode wireless gold mic, and I'll be showing you how to use it on your Samsung phone, Samsung Note Ultra, or maybe any other Samsung phone you can use as a wireless mic. So see you next video. Take care.